and we are the creators of Squeaky Green, organic and triclosan-free bathroom products.
We live in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, in the South Saskatchewan River Basin.
We answered the question, how can we improve our watershed?
We took action by creating Squeaky Green, organic and triclosan-free bathroom products to reduce the levels of triclosan in our water.
Triclosan is an antibacterial and antifungal chemical found in personal care products we use every single day.
Aquatic organisms take in triclosan through their gills while they are consuming food. This can affect the endocrine and reproductive systems. We were very alarmed by triclosan side effects, so we decided to create a hand sanitizer, shampoo, and hand soap that are all 100% organic and triclosan free.
Not only is it tested to work, but it also smells terrific. We also offer a wonderful recipe book that educates students on the effects of triclosan and instructs them how to make their own Squeaky Green.
We have decided to challenge students from Colorado, USA to create a positive ripple in their environment.
Squeaky Green, saving our watershed one pup at a time. What can you do to improve your watershed?